Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a discharge summary. This crucial document summarizes a patient's hospital stay, ensuring a smooth transition to ongoing care. It details their journey from admission through treatment and outlines essential follow-up plans. Understanding its purpose helps you create a comprehensive and effective record for both the patient and subsequent healthcare providers. When crafting a discharge summary, begin with patient demographics and the reason for admission. Next, provide a concise summary of the hospital course, highlighting key events and findings. Be sure to list all medications, specifying new prescriptions and any changes. Finally, describe the patient's condition at discharge and their planned destination. It is vital to clearly state the primary diagnosis and any other significant health conditions. Document all procedures performed, noting dates and outcomes. Provide precise follow-up instructions, including appointment times and locations. Always include contact information for the care team, ensuring patients know who to reach for questions or in an emergency. To ensure a high-quality discharge summary, always verify the accuracy and completeness of all details. Use clear, concise language, avoiding jargon, so it is easily understood by everyone. It is beneficial to review the summary with the patient or their caregiver before they leave. Aim to finalize the document promptly after the patient's discharge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.